I welcome to our next class, which is lesson number 4 on Microsoft Word, and we are continuing with our computer practical skills for older versions, and our aim is to make computing easier. Your trainer is Aheba Martin. This is still my number, and this is still my email. So, what are the skills are we going to learn in this video? This video we are going to learn about creating a table, editing a table, saving a table, and the document printing. That is printing our table that we will have created. So let's go to our question number 4. So they are saying that A Roman 1 question for part A Roman 1. They are saying that type the following information as it is. Use font size 14. Use font size 14. The timetable below will be out, and by the beginning of next academic year, it should be copied and filled with relevant subjects. Meaning that this timetable, it is the one that is going to be used by the beginning of the next academic year. So this is the table. I think we are seeing it. This is the table. So then note the outer border should be 4 points. 4 points. This one. This border, the outer border should be 4 points. Put footer as your name and index number. Put a footer as your name and index number. Then color senior 4 timetable 2010. Then break also colored, lunch also colored, then free should be colored green, meaning that the rest you may color them using your color of your choice. Then save your work as your name and person number. The last one is to print your work. So without wasting a lot of time, let us just go to the work. So we will start by typing the information that is in the table. So we are going to create the table the way it is, how we are seeing it. So before creating a table, we have different steps that we are going to follow when create this table. We are having what we call a table is made up of rows and columns. Rows are the ones that move horizontally. These ones that move from east to west, whereas columns move from they move vertically, they move from north to south, So then with the intersection of a row and a column, we call it a cell. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell, like this one. What we are seeing here is a cell. The intersection of a row and a column is a cell. So now we are going to create this table or this timetable. So it is for senior 4 timetable 2010. And they have told us that the timetable we are going to create is the one that will be used at the beginning of next year. So now it should be copied. It should be copied and filled with relevant subjects, meaning that after creating it, they will copy it and fill it with relevant subjects. So for our task is to create this table. So now, how do we create this table? The first thing is to first know how many columns are these and how many rows are these. So let us count. Let us count rows. We said rows move horizontally. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 rows. Let's calculate the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this table has 8 rows and 9 columns. So after knowing that, directly we go on the new page or we create a new document. Click by actually now let us not go the other procedure because I know that for now you know it. So we are going to say Control New. And on the new page, on the new worksheet, go to the formatting toolbar here and we look for the Insert tab. Insert, then we look for the table icon. So we click on the table. So after clicking on the table, we are going to click on Insert Table. Insert Table. So we are going to come here on the dialog box that comes out we will choose number of columns. Our columns were 9. Our columns were 9. Just remove what is there, then you put what you counted. So this one is 8. So after that, we click OK. So we now have our table created. But now this table, we are going to format it to make sure that it looks like this table, the table that is here. So how do we do this? We will first put senior 4 timetable, this one, that row. How do we create that? We will highlight the top row. After highlighting the top row, we will right click inside the highlighted row and click merge cells. So the merge cells, what it does, it combines all the cells within that row to make one cell. So in this we are going to type there the word senior 4 timetable 2010. So we are going to say senior 4 timetable 2010. Then after finishing that, we will come back to the next part, that is creating these putting in these figures. So we have 8 to 9. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Saturday. First fill those. So we will jump that. Monday, capital letters, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then here they are saying that it should put there from 8 to 9. 8 to 9. So 800 to 9000. And then we go to the next, 9 to 10. Next is 900 to 1000. Then we jump that, we go to the next, which is 10:30 to 11:30. 10:30 to 11:30. Then we go to the next one, which is 11:30 to 12:30. 11:30 to 12:30. Then we also have lunch. Then 2:30 to 3. 2 3. We jump that. 2 to 3. Then for this one, we put there 3 4. 3 2 4. So after finishing this, we come back here. We will put there the lunch. We have break and lunch. So we come here, put there break, and also here lunch. Then we come back. We'll come back. We are seeing that on Wednesday there is free afternoon. So we come here. Wednesday is this. We have free. So now here to make it the whole thingy will go together, we will merge and create a single cell. Merge the two cells to one cell. Then these ones, the timing, they are moving vertically. So we have to rotate them to vertical format. So we highlight them highlight it, then we right click and choose text direction. And text direction now we are choosing is this one, which moves to down to the vertically. So and we click OK. You see how it has changed. The same thing to this one, text direction. Come to text direction, click OK. Come to also this. We can press Ctrl, then also highlight this. Highlight also this. Highlight also this. Then we right click, choose text direction, this one, and click OK. Then after doing this, come back and see our work. So we are soon finishing our table. So we come back to this one. We highlight everything that is here. We bold it. Even here we bold it. Even here we bold it. This one is also bolded. Then this one is also bolded. Then they are saying that, let's go back to the question. They are saying that it is our work. They are saying that we should use font size 14. So we are going to come here and highlight everything and come here to the font size. We make it 14. So after finishing that, we also click here. We go to the question. So note the outer border should be 4 points. So we come back to this. We click on this border. We select this one. Then we go to borders and shading. Right click. Then borders and shading. We click this the box. They are saying that we should make it 4 points. So we come here to width. We give it a 4 points. This is 3. This is 4.4.5. But sometimes it is 4. So like how we are seeing here 1, this is 2, this is 3, so this is 4. So let us choose this 4 and then click OK to apply. So meaning that the whole table, our table has been changed. Now our format is we have increased the border or this outline to 4 points. Now another thing they are telling us is, but now we are seeing that the other content is unseen. So what we can do, can come here and also come back to right click, say borders and shading. So we say bring these ones that are in. So these ones, the grids, and then we also click OK for them to come out. I think now you can see them. Then the next question is saying that put a footer as your name and index number. Put a footer as your name and index number. So we are going to put footers. We are going to click on insert footer, insert footer. Then they are saying that we put a footer as your name, Ahebwa Martin, and index number 001. Then I come back to my work by double clicking there, and my footer will be there. Then they are saying that also that the color senior 4 timetable 2010 black large and free with green. So they want these ones to be in green. Timetable senior 4 timetable 2010. So this one, they want this one in green color. So this is green color. Green. This is green accent. This is green. That one. Then they also need break, also in green. Lunch, also in green. Then also free, the word free in green. We have finished that. Then the next one is saying that save your work as your name and personal number. Save your work as your name and personal number. So to save our work, come and click on office button. Choose save as usual. Save as, we choose desktop, the location where we save our thingy, our table. So our name, that is Ayeva Martin. And from there, I click save. So I told you that every time you save your work, it will always appear here. It will always appear here. You see where the mouse is? Here, where I'm pointing. Okay, I think you have seen the name. Okay. So then the next one is saying that print your work. So let us print. So to print, you click office button again, you choose print. Then after choosing print, you look for the printer name or the printer. Your computer must be connected to a printer cable and the printer must be on. So you see it here, you select it. Then after selecting it, you come here, you either choose to print all pages, either you print the current page or you choose the pages to print. So now after finishing here, you can choose even how many pages. You may choose 2 pages per sheet, 1 page per sheet. Then after that, you click OK to apply. So my dear friend, that was our work. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. If I have added value to you, if this content has added value to you, my friend, consider to subscribe, to share, and like our content, and invite more to always attend our lectures. Thank you so much. I'm your friend Ayeva Martin, Farmworks Foundation. Bye. Bye.